Let's go across then to Sushil Sinha. He is country head of Karvy Commodities and he joins us on the show as well. Sushil, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the gold and silver prices and the kind of decline that we have seen in them yesterday and continued in today, Asia and Europe as well. How are you looking at precious metal prices?
Yeah, seeing the overall economic scenario and what's happening in European countries particularly, that is having direct impact on the equities market also and the bullions market and even base metals also. I think there is no permanent solution and not immediate solution also. So I think this situation is going to be there only, and volatility will be there in the coming days. We expect that gold and silver both seems to be on the downside further, and we can see a further fall of around $20 to $25 in gold and maybe around 28 to 28.30 levels in the silver. Therefore, overall trend seems to be on the downside. However, any positive news coming up in between may give a support, but dollar seems to be strengthening. That is again a negative sign for bullions.
Sushil, so would you say that sell-on rallies really continues to be a strategy when it comes to precious metal prices?
Yeah, exactly. Because here the continuity in the downside will be there, and we have the opportunity to be on the selling side. I'd not like to buy at this level because it's a falling market right now. So selling maybe again for intraday levels also for 100 to 150 rupees down from this level, and maybe 20 to 430 levels we can see by evening. That could be an opportunity. Again, if any news comes, definitely that will give a pullback, and there again we should go for a selling side. So that should be the right strategy of selling at a higher level.
Sushil, how about the base metals? Because copper is trading at a 2-week lows, nickel also is trading at a 1-month lows, and the kind of data that we have seen has been bearish. And as you pointed out, the Europe concerns is something that's weighing so strongly. So do you think this sector also might see further declines?
Yeah, that is European concern is one of the factors. And second, again, Chinese side, there is no demand. That is again giving a negative direction to the base metals also. So apart from weak European, Chinese side and weak equities is also a concern for all base metal complex. So therefore, we will be having the selling side, and further, particularly I see the nickels can go for a little lower, maybe in 875 range. In that way, it can go. And similarly, on the copper, we have seen further fall, and maybe around 430 levels is possible.
Sushil, how about the crude prices? Because people are most bearish onto that space. Last week we saw 6% decline coming in. This week we've seen another 2% shave off. How much of a further weakness are you working with?
Yeah, crude oil, though it's today the inventory, but that is one of the factors. However, overall we have seen demand side has been on the negative side, and again we have seen also that whatever positive sentiments were supposed to come from Chinese side, that is not there. So despite there is some stimulus being talking there by the central bank there. However, the demand side seems to be in the downside, and there is again stockpiles are there, and today the inventory is supposed to be again the positive side. So therefore, I don't see that there is a further upward movement. Continuity will be on the negative side only, and maybe around we can see 92 to 91 to 92 levels in the WTI.